The role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries in the world today. It is responsible for shaping the physical environment and interact. From houses and schools to hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers, construction contributes to the developing country. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, and no public services as we know them. The foundations of society. Construction is civilization. From ancient times, people have built shelters to protect themselves from the elements. Over time, these structures became more complex, leading to the development of architecture, engineering, and urban life. Today, construction is no longer just about survival. It is about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security and comfort for families. Schools offer places for children to learn and grow. Offices and factories are where people work and produce goods. None of these would exist without the construction industry. Economically, the construction industry plays a significant role in the economy of every nation. It creates millions of jobs worldwide. Project managers, laborers, electricians, plumbers, also supports many other industries, such as manufacturing, mining, transportation, and real estate. In developing countries, construction is often a key driver of building new roads, airports, and ports can open up trade opportunities and connect people to new markets. In urban areas, real estate development can attract investment, property values, and stimulate local businesses. Furthermore, construction projects can provide a long-term basis. For example, building a bridge not only creates jobs during construction, but it also helps people travel more efficiently for decades. This increases productivity and improves access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities. Social and cultural significance. Construction is not only about function, it also reflects culture and identity. Design of buildings, public spaces, society, in many cities, architecture defines the skyline and creates a sense of place. Think of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, or the pyramids. These structures are not only engineering marvels, but also cultural symbols. In modern cities, green buildings and sustainable design show a commitment to environmental responsibility and innovation. Construction also plays a role in improving social equality. Building affordable housing projects, accessible schools, and public transportation systems good urban planning can help reduce overcrowding and promote healthy, more environmental construction also has an amazing it produces waste, air pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Poorly planned construction can lead to deforestation, soil erosion, and destruction. Therefore, the construction industry is facing increasing pressure to become more sustainable. This means using eco-friendly materials, reducing energy consumption, recycling construction waste, and designing
y voy vagando por la vida sin pedirles nada. Cada quien sabe lo que en el morral carga. Vienen desde abajo pero no batallan, no me digan nada, solo tiran labia. Quieren mis zapatos pero no.
Puede ser.
technological advancements.
Otra vez estoy solo. Otra vez estoy triste.
Drones, artificial intelligence, and building information models are making construction faster, safer, and more efficient. For example, 3D printing can be used to build houses quickly. Drones can survey land and monitor construction sites in real time. VM allows engineers to architect, design, and collaborate more effectively. Automation and robotics are also changing how construction
Advanced.
is done. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, or perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury for human workers. These technologies are not only increasing productivity, but also helping address labor shortages in Corruption and mismanagement, especially in large public projects. Climate change is another major factor. As sea levels rise and extreme weather becomes more common, building and infrastructure must be designed to withstand future conditions. Resilient construction and smart design will be essential in the future. In addition, the industry must address issues in the cities. Housing prices are rising, leading to housing shortages and homelessness. Governments and developers must work together to create more inclusive and affordable solutions. In conclusion, construction is much more than just building. It is about management. It influences the economy, shapes society, reflects culture, and impacts. As the world continues to grow and change, the construction industry must adapt, innovate, and take responsibility for creating a better, more sustainable world. Whether it's building homes for families, bridges that connect people, or schools that educate future generations, construction remains one of the most powerful forces shaping construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries in the world today. It is responsible for shaping the physical environment work and interact. From houses and schools to hospitals, roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. To the infrastructure and development of any country. Without construction, there would be no cities, no transportation systems, services to know, the foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. People have built shelters to protect themselves from over time, construction became more complex, leading to the development of engineering and urban planning. Today, construction is no longer just about survival. It is about improving the quality of life. Homes provide security and comfort for families. Schools offer places for children to learn and grow. Hospitals give people access to life-saving medical care. Factories are where people work and produce goods. None of these would exist without the construction industry. Economic impact. The construction industry plays a significant role in the economy of every nation. It creates millions of jobs worldwide. Architects, project managers to skilled laborers, electricians, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports many other manufacturing,